Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you Indo-Western makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I am going to take the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Reflection Serum. It will give a glow to my face and I am going to apply it all around my face. I'm going to gently scrub it all around my face so that my face looks more shiny. Now I'm going to apply the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Sponge brush, I am going to blend this foundation into my skin and make sure that you do this process with your soft hands. As the foundation has been blended into my skin, now I am going to do the base makeup for my eyes. If you want, you can skip this step, but it gives the finish to my eyes while I make sure that I do it. I have done this, now I'll blend this concealer with the help of my fingers into my eyes. If you want, you can take the help of the sponge, but I find it more easier with the help of my fingers, so I am doing with it. Yeah, I am done with it. Now I'll cover my dark circles also with the help of this concealer. That too I'll blend it with the help of my fingers. Now to set this foundation, I am going to apply the loose powder on my face. And the powder which I am going to use is of Milani. This step is very important after applying foundation on your face, because your foundation stays for a long time. As I have done my base makeup, now I'll start with my eyes. So now I'm starting with my eye makeup. To do my eye makeup neatly, I have applied tape on both sides of my eyes. So I am going to use this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and the shade which I am going to start with is this cream shade, you can see, and I am going to take a bit of it and dusting off the extra powder. orange shade on the outer corner of my eyes. Just taking a bit of it and rubbing off it. Powder. Now I am going to apply this yellow shade on my eyes. To use this dark brown shade on the outer edges of my eyes so as to define them properly. So I'm going to take a bit of it. Now, just to give a glowy effect, I am going to apply highlighter in the middle of my eyes, and the highlighter which I am going to use is this golden one, and the highlighting palette which I am using is of Revolution Pro HD palette. And this thing also I am going to do with the help of my finger. Done with it. Now just to highlight my eyes, I am going to use the ivory shade highlighter. That I am going to highlight my brow line. Apply kajal on the waterline of my eyes. As you can see that I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to apply blushers on my face and doing some bronzing, some highlighting. So let's start with it. Now I'm going to apply blushers on my face, and the blusher shade which I'm going to use is this peach color, and I'm going to mix it with this light green shade. I'm taking that more the extra color. Highlighter on my face, and the shade which I'm going to use for highlighting is this slay shade, and I'm going to mix some of this slay shade and I'm going to mix some of this with this beige color. So I'm going to take a bit of it. If you want, you can use highlighting brush also, but right now I'm not having, so I'm doing it with this simple one. Now I'm going to apply lip color on my The lipstick which I have used is Lakme Absolute, and it's in the shade, its shade number is 03. It's peach and cream. So I have used this shade. Now I'm going to apply the false lashes offline, and our makeup is done. And this is our final makeup look.
I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.